Morning to everyone. Myself Ajay Kumar. I am from CSC A section. Today I am telling about vector algebra relations regarding operations. Content. What is vector identities? Del cross of A bar cross B bar is equal to del dot B bar into A bar minus del bar into A bar into B bar plus B bar dot del into A bar minus of A bar dot del into B bar. Explanation of theorem. Vector identities. In what follows, xi and xi is a function and v naught is a vector. Divergence curl is equal to v is equal to del dot into del cross 2v is equal to audio curly is equal to del dot into del cross v is equal to 0. Formula for vector identity. We use the vector identity del cross A is equal to del into A minus del dot A into A, which is true for any vector. A is and an assumption that the divergence of the electric field is 0, namely del dot E is equal to 0.012. Type of vector identities. There are two lists of mathematical identities related to vectors. Vector algebra relations regarding operations on individual vector such as dot product, cross product, etc. Vector calculus identities regarding operations on vector field such as divergence, gradient, curl, etc. If A bar and B bar are vector product point function, prove that if del cross of A bar cross B bar is equal to in brackets del dot B bar into A bar minus of del dot A bar into B bar plus B bar dot del A bar minus A bar dot del into B bar. Solution. Let us consider n del is equal to I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z is equal to summation of I into dou by dou x. Solution. LHS is equal to del cross of A cross bar B cross sigma I into d by dx into A bar cross B bar sigma I into dou by dou x of A cross into B cross summation of I into dou by A bar by dou x into B bar plus A cross of dou B by dou x. A bar, B bar, C bar are the constants. Let summation of I into dou A bar by dou x cross B bar plus I into I cross into A cross dou B bar by dou x. Summation of in brackets we can write I bar dot B bar into dou A bar by dou x minus I bar into dou A bar by dou x B bar plus I bar into dou B bar by dou x into A bar minus I bar dot A bar into dou B bar by dou x bar. Let us we can solve this list step by step. Finally we got B bar dot del whole into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus del dot B bar into A bar minus A bar del into B bar. RHS is equal to del dot B bar into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus B bar into del into A bar minus of A bar dot del into B bar. Thanks for giving this opportunity.